Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we're driving from TNO to Milford Sound. And it was getting late, increasingly cold and windy, and we approached Homer Tunnel, expecting to go through, but the rangers closed the tunnel, so we drove back to Neff's Flat in the heart of Froland, where we stayed overnight in a caravan. Neff's Flat is 62 kilometers from TNO and 60 kilometers to Milford Sound, so people who come late to go through to the Milford Sound, and when the gate at Froidland was closed, so this is just a convenient campsite to stay overnight, and they have all the facilities. It's 6 p.m. now and we're just enjoying the views outside. And next morning we continue our journey and we drive down to Mirror Lakes. The reason for the name of Mirror Lakes is because the water is so still that it forms perfect reflection of the amazing scenery on the lake's surface. About 30 kilometers to Milford Sound, there's a lot of viewing spectacular lakes, and now we're driving to Marian Lakes, but you have to walk 2-3 hours to reach the lake. The weather is constantly changed, so you have to prepare all the time. There's a lot to explore before you reach Milford Sound. It's just non-stop breathtaking picturesque views. Some travelers explore in the deeper, they walk farther until they reach 2 glaciers, but we choose not to go because the weather conditions will change every 10 to 15 minutes. Next up is Mount Tutoko Tipuni. It's a stunning mountain. So this is before Milford Sound. Next up is Lake Gunn. It's just stunning and clear and amazing to see this spectacular lake. Moving on, we drive down to Chasm. So you can go through there, but there is some stopover, and along the way you can see the screeny surroundings, and there are a few tourists around as well. So it's 20 minutes walk from the parking lot. So Chasm is captured by water and stone. Gladio River has a source high in the hard crystalline rocks and Dorian Mountains. After the heavy rain, floods, water rush to downstream, picking up the pebbles and gravels that have scored the river bed down to its bedrock. Stones that forest in the rock slots are swirled round by the current. Over many centuries, they have grown out the fantastic pharaoh shape that are such a feature of the chasm. On the way in Milford Sound, it's just abundance to explore, amazing to see such wonderful natures, lakes, mountains, weather change every now and then. Cold, but it's very clean and fresh. Animals are protected, most especially endangered animals, Kia, but they have also black fly, also known as sandfly, and they bite you, it's so itchy. So now we're here at Milford Sound. It's amazed me. seeing such a great country. In the high range of the mountains, there's a cloud in the eyes all over it. It's overwhelming seeing this breathtaking scenery. We stayed at Milford Sound Lodge campsite for 3 nights and thoroughly enjoyed our stay. At the campsite, they provide power supply, you can cook at the kitchen, just clean and very well maintained. Lodge toilet was okay. One thing, if you visit Milford Sound, may as well avail the cruise ship and get the close encounter with nature.